Welcome to the troubleshooting guide for VTube Studio. Let's go over Step 8, checking your log files and verifying your IP address. Logs are important to every program and they let you know if there are any issues, errors, or anything else going on. Follow along and feel free to pause or rewind if needed. If you don't know your IP address, then follow these steps down below before starting. Note, never show or share your IP address to anyone. Start by opening the Start menu and type in CMD, then press Enter. Type ipconfig, all one word, and press Enter. Find and copy your IPv4 address. You'll need this for the next step. Now, let's get cracking on these log files now, shall we? Open Steam, find VTS, right-click, and select Manage. Browse local files. Go to VTube Studio _data, streaming assets, and find logs. Open the most recent log file by sorting by date modified. Control F and search for your IP address. You should see your IP address in the log. And if you do, then you have a positive connection to VTube Studios. If no results are found for your IP address, search for Client Connect with one N using Control F. Lastly, search for ID equals 1 altogether using Control F. If no results appear, repeat these steps in other log files to find one with the search data from above. Make sure to look for any updates to your system or router that could have possibly blocked VTS from connecting properly. If no IP addresses appear after multiple searches in the log files, then move on to the next step. This one will be a little tricky. Check out the other videos here, or simply wait for the next video to play.